All right, guys, we got a Whirlpool Kenmore badge washer. Now, these are one of the best washers out there, guys. All right, so the issue with this, you can see it's full of water. So what we're dealing with, we have a lid switch that is bad. So your striker, which is right here, activates this and your washer should drain. So you close the lid, hold the knob, nothing. So I'm going to show you how to fix this so you don't have to replace that. So now what we're going to be doing is you want to reach your hand under here, and what we're going to do, you're going to press down on this and you'll hear the pump. Make sure this is pulled up. All right, so now what we're going to do, unplug the unit, and I'm going to unscrew these 2 Phillips screws, and you're able to pull this out. I'll show you how to fix it. Right. Hopefully this switch is not damaged. Sometimes they're broken, and then we'll have to do a bypass, which I'll show you how to do that as well. All right, so you're going to reach under, and you might have to push the drum back if it's not loaded, and just pull it out slightly. Hopefully you can see. They do have little clips, so if you do lose a clip, you're totally okay. But you want to be able to pull it out like this. This just vent, don't worry about it. And those are your screw holes. Now what we're going to do, we're going to get a zip tie. You're going to wrap this over. So the switch is broken, guys. When you look at it, see that? Separated. But the contacts are still good. Take a look. Oh, machine is unplugged. Once we fix, you'll see. Now let's check the switch, see if it's working. Beautiful. Now it's time to install it back. You want to line your holes up. And don't use power tools. You want to use manual because you'll damage your threads in the switch. All right, guys, so we're all done. Now we're going to close the lid, and everything should be spinning. And you can always check your work. It is working. So now when you close the lid, everything should be good. You don't have to purchase a switch. I'll leave a link just in case. All you need to do, zip tie. All right, guys, there you have it. Thanks for watching.